Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Canon EOS R camera to your smartphone. First, you'll need to download the free Canon Camera Connect app, available on both iOS and Android app stores. Make sure your camera's battery is charged, then power on your EOS R. Next, access the Cameras menu and locate the wireless communication settings. This is the essential first step to enable seamless connectivity between your devices. Now let's configure your camera's Wi-Fi. From the wireless communication settings, select Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connection. Then, choose the Connect to Smartphone option, followed by Easy Connection. Your Canon EOS R will then generate its own Wi-Fi network. The camera's screen will display the network name, or SSID, and a unique 8-character password. You will need these details for the next step on your phone. With your camera broadcasting its Wi-Fi network, it's time to connect your phone. Go to your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new network appear with the same name as the SSID displayed on your camera. Select this network and then carefully enter the 8-character password provided by your camera. Once connected, open the Canon Camera Connect app on your phone to finalize the pairing process. Finally, open the Canon Camera Connect app. It should automatically detect your EOS R. Select your camera from the list of available devices to establish the connection. Now, you can remotely control your camera, view and transfer images, and even use your phone as a live view monitor. This powerful app allows you to easily manage your photos and videos, enhancing your creative workflow and sharing capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.